Question number 1. Noah is nervous. His presentation: A, on, B, about, C, at. Option B is the right answer. Question number 2. Mason is quick. Learning languages: A, at, B, in, C, with. Option A is the right answer. English grammar test. Each question takes 5 seconds. If you pass this test, your English is amazing. Let's get started. Good luck. Question number 3. To once in a blue moon means A, rarely, B, never, C, always. Option A is the right answer. Question number 4. Olivia. Coffee when I arrived at the cafe. A, drink. B, drinks. C, was drinking. Option C is the right answer. Question number 5. Hannah. Already left when I called her. A, is, B, had, C, has. Option B is the right answer. Question number 6. Jacob. Late for the meeting yesterday. A, was, B, is, C, has. Option A is the right answer. Question number 7. They went to the park. Sunday. A, at, B, in, C, on. Option C is the right answer. Question number 8. There isn't. Sugar left in the jar. A, few, B, little, C, any. Option C is the right answer. Question number 9. Neither Emma nor her friends. Present today. A, was, B, were, C, is. Option B is the right answer. Question number 10. I refused. Back. A, going. B, go. C, to go. Option C is the right answer. Question number 11. The news. Shocking yesterday. A, was. B, were. C, are. Option A is the right answer. Question number 12. 10 kilometers. A long distance to walk. A, are. B, is. C, have. Option B is the right answer. Question number 13. A bouquet of roses. Placed on the table. A, have. B, was. C, are. Option B is the right answer. Question number 14. William's efforts were finally. When he got the award. A, rewarded. B, wasted. C, ignored. Option A is the right answer. Question number 15. If Sophia, earlier she would catch the train, A has left, B leaves, C left. Option C is the right answer. Question number 16. No sooner had the match started. It rained. A then, B than, C when. Option B is the right answer. Question number 17. By 8 p.m. tomorrow, Ryan, for 3 hours, A will have been studying, B will study, C studied. Option A is the right answer. Question number 18. Olivia rarely eats out. She A does, B does not, C is. Option A is the right answer. Question number 19. Ava is keen. Joining the debate club. A in B at C on. Option C is the right answer. Question number 20. Ava's journey, though tiring, rewarding. A has, B were, C was. Option C is the right answer. Question number 21. Uncertainty doesn't bother her now. It once did. A, although. B, as. C, unlike. Option B is the right answer. Question number 22. Natalie hadn't expected the journey. Be so rewarding. A, that. B, to. C, has. Option B is the right answer. Question number 23. Her grandfather used to. Her stories about hidden trails. A, tell, B, told, C, telling. Option A is the right answer. Question number 24. The scent of pine needles. Gently around her. A, hung. B, hanged. C, hang. Option A is the right answer. Question number 25. The food was in flavor and in presentation. A, bland, dull. B, messy, tasty. C, tasty, appealing. Option C is the right answer. Question number 26. Julia. On time, which surprised everyone. A, arrives. B, arrived. C, arriving. Option B is the right answer. Question number 27. Ethan. His dream job last year. A, gets. B, got. C, getting. Option B is the right answer. Question number 28. If I, harder, I'd be top of the class. A, am working. B, work. C, worked. Option C is the right answer. Question number 29. The clouds. Dark before the storm. A, became. B, become. C, becoming. Option A is the right answer. Question number 30. Jacob was promoted. His excellent performance. A, due. B, because. C, because of. Option C is the right answer. Question number 31. Ava and Noah have lived here. 2018, A from B since. C, for. Option B is the right answer. Question number 32. That's the man. Helped us. A, who. B, which. C, what. Option A is the right answer. Question number 33. The kids are afraid. The dark. A, by. B, for. C, of. Option C is the right answer. Question number 34. The cake was so delicious that nothing. Left. A, was. B, were. C, is. Option A is the right answer. Question number 35. Julia waited. The bus stop. A, on. B, at. C, by. Option B is the right answer. Question number 36. Logan never. His phone at home. A, forgetting. B, forget. C, forgets. Option C is the right answer. Question number 37. The book was written. A famous author. A, by. B, from. C, with. Option A is the right answer. Question number 38. We were surprised. The news. A, on. B, at. C, for. Option B is the right answer. Question number 39. Mason didn't attend the class and. Did Lily. A, either. B, two. C, neither. Option C is the right answer. Question number 40. This is the house. I grew up. A, where. B, that. C, when. Option A is the right answer. Question number 41. Oliver never. His temper in public. A, losing. B, loses. C, lose. Option B is the right answer. Question number 42. Don't forget to turn the lights when you leave. A, off. B, out. C, over. Option A is the right answer. Question number 43. He finally. Smoking. A, give. B, give up. C, gave up. Option C is the right answer. Question number 44. Why? He always interrupt people? A, do. B, does. C, is. Option B is the right answer. Question number 45. They didn't even. Me goodbye. A, say. B, speak. C, tell. Option A is the right answer. Question number 46. Mia was to refuse her best friend's request. A, cruel. B, strict. C, generous. Option C is the right answer. Question number 47. Amelia's notes are always and easy to read. A, careless. B, neat. C, random. Option B is the right answer. Question number 48. The squeaky wheel gets the A, oil. B, attention. C, noise. Option A is the right answer. Question number 49. What goes around comes A, forward. B, back. C, again. Option B is the right answer. Question number 50. Don't count your chickens before they A, run, B, grow, C, hatch. Option C is the right answer.